Jury selection is underway in the triple murder trial of Chad Daybell. He is a doomsday author, self-published, and the fifth husband of Lori Vallow Daybell, who is the mother sentenced to life in prison last summer for killing her two children. Daybell could face the death penalty for his alleged role in the murder of those two children, as well as the murder of his former wife. Lori Vallow, and this is another thing I'm curious about with the law, she's been found guilty for the murder of her two children. Is her guilty verdict separate and apart from what happens now with Chad, or will the jury use in any way that verdict to make their decision?
Well, what's interesting is that they were supposed to be tried together originally. And what Chad argued is essentially we're going to be arguing different things. So the short answer is that he will be pointing the finger at Lori Vallow and he will be saying not it. Now, this is the same judge who presided over her trial. So it's a judge who knows the facts of this case very well. It's a judge who said, yes, I will bifurcate the trials. And again, allowing him, I think, the ability to say she's already been found guilty, justice has already been served. And I think the argument will be something along the lines of that he was not as involved. A jury found guilt, a jury found there was a murder, and that should be the end of the story.
But what's interesting is that Chad Daybell seems to have more writing on the trial than Lori did. He could face the death penalty while she did not face that. Why the different potential outcomes?
So the judge in her case said that he would grant a motion that the death penalty would not be on the table. There are slightly different allegations here with respect to Chad, and obviously we know he is facing the death penalty. One thing to highlight, because today is the first day of jury selection, is that when you are picking a jury for a death-eligible case, that's also something that can take more time, but it's also something where you might end up with a jury that is slightly more pro-prosecution because you have jurors who are saying, yes, I am willing to, if I think the facts give rise to that situation, I'm willing to impose the death penalty. So that's something that the defense is going to be looking at very carefully to make sure that you do get a jury not just that's willing to impose the death penalty, but that is also willing to hear their views as well.
Very interesting. That plus 3 years of law school. I'd be a lawyer too. Jessica Levinson, thank you very much.